Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny Sapele Happy with the last number NPM 120 from class R4B. Today, I will explain about edutainment app. Nah, edutainment app and this video I will introduce to you and other is Duolingo as a fun language learning application. And in this video, I will explain more detail about this app. Okay, let's watch. Next, okay, next is introduction. Okay, Duolingo is a language learning platform founded in 2011 by Luis Fontan and Zeverin Hacker at Carnegie Mellon University. Initially, the project combined aimed to language learning with online text translation, and of course, Duolingo offers about 184 languages from famous language to underrated language. Famous language like English, Japanese, Spanish, and underrated language you can get in this app maybe like language you never heard before like Yiddish, Navajo, and Klingon. May 2025, Duolingo also combined this app with to artificial intelligence to make Duolingo be the best version and of course enhance listening and speaking skills. Okay, next. Where can we get app? Okay, don't worry, Duolingo you can get in mobile phone or computer. If you are Android user, you can download this app in Google Play Store. And you are iOS user, you can get this app download in the App Store. And there are three methods for computer user to get this app. First, in website. Second, you can get in Microsoft Store. Third, you can get in BlueStacks. Okay, next. Next. Okay, features free version. Before I explain these features, I will explain to you and I will introduce to you about Duolingo. Duolingo has three versions. First is free version. Uh, Second is Super Duolingo. Third is Duolingo Max. What differences? Differences is for free version you uh you, you are not paid to play this app. And so for Super Duolingo and Duolingo Max, you have to pay and subscribe these additional features. Okay, you got it. Okay, I will explain this page about features for free version. There are 5 features in free version Duolingo. First, of course, language courses learn from 100 countries in other world. Language language from famous and underrated as I mentioned before. Second is XP and Streak. What XP and Streak? XP same maybe like its experience point you can get from your finally this study and Duolingo apps, and Streak for consistent learning progress to stay motivated. And third is Duolingo Stories, interactive tales to enhance listening skill and add new vocabulary, of course, and writing skills, maybe. Okay, uh, in order that there are Duolingo podcasts, some real life stories in the target language with explanation for better comprehension. Okay, the last is leaderboards and reach competition. Uh, you can you can look in this picture. Okay, this is example from leaderboard and reach. There are rank from other learners too, and if you got not point enough, you can in this zone, the emotion zone. May it mean you can down your rank and you cannot get higher rank. Okay, the emotion zone. And strict of course give tell to you to stay motivated to to study more. Okay, there are free features from free version. First, language course. Second is XP and Strix. Third is Duolingo Stories. Fourth is Duolingo Podcast. And the last is Leaderboard and Reach. Okay, next is features from Super Duolingo. Okay, in this Duolingo, of course, is paid, but you don't worry because there are additional features you can't get in free version. Okay, there are five features from Super Duolingo. First is add free experience. Learn without interruption or advertisement, and you can continue your study with enjoy. And second is unlimited hurt. Okay, make mistakes without restriction, and you can repeat from start. Because in free version there are not unlimited hurt. If you are make mistakes more five, you can't get join study in free version because but in Super Duolingo you can in Super Duolingo if you make mistakes over five, you can continue your study. And the third is unlimited hers. The third is personalized practice hub, like maybe earning private to deeply know your mistake, and you can study from your mistakes. Okay, fourth is offline access. Okay, you can download these materials if you have not data or pulsa, you can access these materials. Okay, then and the last is trick repair. If you are if you are not study more, you can repair your streak and to stay motivated on the track. Next is features from Duolingo Max. Okay, Super Duolingo and Duolingo Max. Of course, there are different features. In Duolingo Max, just three features you can get. Okay, I will explain. The first is explain my answer. Get detailed explanation if you get mistakes from your study and to improve your learning. Second is role play. Practice practice conversation in real life with artificial intelligence character and interactive scenarios. And the last is video call. Video call, of course, enhance speaking and listening skill. And you can video call with Lily as character and Duolingo. Okay, next. Next is what benefit you can get from this app. First, of course, free and accessible learning language. And second is gamification features. Gamification features. What gamification features? Okay, in this app, design like game. And you can't stress if you study in this app because there are features like game. Example like XP, streaks, leaderboard, and reach as I mentioned before. Okay. Third is bite-sized lesson. Just study about 5 until 10 minutes, and you can get benefit materials and into daily routines. Okay. Fourth is science-based learning. Uses spaced repetition and adaptive learning for better attention. And in order that, Duolingo offers additional tools like Duolingo Stories, Duo Radio, and special is Duolingo English Test. Duolingo English Test may be same like TOEFL test or IELTS test, and if you finish this test, you can collect uh, you can collect you can collect the results to your future university. Okay. Next, I will explain advantages from Duolingo. Maybe a little same like benefit, free and accessible learning, engaging gamification, short flexible lessons, and science-based learning. Okay. Okay. Next, I will explain about disadvantages. Okay. First is depth. Limited depth. Limited depth mean Duolingo just best for beginners, but not much like deep learner or advanced learner because Duolingo just introduce a new material to beginner who has start language learning. And second is inconsistent speech recognition pronunciation assessments can be unreliable. Third is repetitive content. Some phrases, some sentence, and some word appear frequently. Um, of course, it is occurs both to learners. Okay. Fourth is lack of contextual learning focuses on isolated sentences, limiting real-life conversation practice. And the last is potential demotivation because there are many repetition content and occurs demotivation to learners. Okay, next is the output. The output you can get from this app uh, is experience point you can get if you are finished this material in this app. Second is track count from this app to stay you are motivated to next this material. Third is batch and reach like rank you get from your finished materials. And fourth is Duolingo score CEFR, okay, proficiency scores, and especially CEFR, just specification, just specific if you are learn European language like German, Dutch, German, Dutch, Swedish. Okay. If you are learn European language, you get CEFR aligned proficiency scores. 10 until 160 estimates language level from AI to C2. Okay. Next is target audience. Okay. Of course, a target audience uh, many more, especially for beginners, establishing foundational language skills, self-learners, or self-learners complementing other study methods or formal education, travelers, if you want to add vocab and practice daily conversation, you can get in this app. And busy individuals, if you are not time enough, you can get this app and learn about 10 until 15 minutes, and this is enough for you. Okay. Conclusion. Conclusion. Duolingo is an edutainment application that combines, of course, education and entertainment in one platform. Duolingo, making language learning more interactive and enjoyable. It is designed to help users learn language gradually. Okay? Thank you for your attention. I hope my presentation can be useful. And of course, if you are watch this video, I hope you get to motivated your language skill. Maybe in Duolingo, speaking, listening, writing, and reading. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, ma'am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.